We're at the Mirage Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, room 2281. It's a standard 2-queen room in the north wing. When you enter the room, immediately to the left is the closet. In the closet you have your safe, ironing board. Also to the left is the bathroom. It's a little small. Can't be sitting on the toilet and closing the door at the same time. Single sink here by MGM Resorts toiletries. Then you have a tub shower combination. Then you have 2 queen beds with a dresser in between. There is a newer clock radio. Shows the date, time. It also has USB ports on the side. On the right hand side you have your mini bar where you have your snacks on top. Then your mini bar refrigerator. There is no refrigerator for your own things. Then you have some more drawers, television. You have a desk area with 2 chairs. You do have on a desk area outlets and USB ports, as well as connections for the television. The size of this room's okay. It seems clean enough. I mean, the furniture has seen some wear. If you look at the furniture, there's stuff peeling off of it. So it could use some repair or replacement. This room is facing northwest. So you have a view of the mountains, Trump International, Treasure Island. You do not have a strip view. And this is the view at night.